Number 9. Bugatti Tébón. In June 2024, Bugatti unveiled the Tébón, a groundbreaking hypercar that represents a bold new era for the marque. Following in the footsteps of the legendary Chiron, the Tébón is a clear departure from Bugatti's traditional reliance on the iconic W16 engine. Instead, this masterpiece features a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V16 engine meticulously crafted by Cosworth, paired with cutting-edge hybrid technology. This combination delivers an earth-shattering 1,775 horsepower, redefining what's possible in hypercar engineering. At the heart of this engineering marvel is the V16 engine, which alone generates 986 horsepower. The electric motors contribute an additional 789 horsepower, resulting in blistering acceleration and seamless performance. Capable of revving up to an astonishing 9,000 RPM, the Tébón provides a driving experience that is nothing short of thrilling. Key design features, such as a cross-plane crankshaft, a 90-degree bank angle, and a sophisticated dry sump lubrication system, ensure optimal performance, durability, and reliability during high-speed runs. This hybrid powertrain allows the Tébón to launch from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2 seconds flat, rivaling the acceleration of the fastest cars on the planet. When equipped with its unique speed key, the hypercar can reach a jaw-dropping top speed of 277 miles per hour. Combining raw power with unparalleled innovation, the Tébón sets a new benchmark for performance and engineering excellence. Number 8. Dodge Viper ZB2. The Dodge Viper ZB2, produced between 2008 and 2010, is a shining example of unapologetic American muscle and engineering prowess. As the fourth generation of Dodge's legendary Viper series, the ZB2 built on the raw aggression of its predecessors while incorporating meaningful enhancements to its handling and performance. This made it not only faster but also more refined, appealing to enthusiasts who sought both power and precision. Under its sculpted hood lies a reworked 8.4-liter V10 engine, co-developed with the expertise of McLaren Automotive and Ricardo Consulting Engineers. This naturally aspirated beast delivers an impressive 600 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque, cementing the ZB2's status as one of the most formidable cars of its time. With a cross-plane crankshaft and a 90-degree bank angle, the engine delivers smooth and consistent power, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. The Viper ZB2's raw power translates into jaw-dropping performance figures. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds and can achieve a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. Its aggressive design, coupled with enhanced aerodynamics and upgraded suspension, provides a perfect balance between road-gripping stability and sheer power. With its bold styling and unrelenting performance, the ZB2 is a true icon of American automotive excellence. Number 7. Locomobile Model 48. The Locomobile Model 48, introduced in 1911, is a shining example of early 20th century luxury and engineering mastery. Once a prominent name in American automotive history, Locomobile initially produced steam-powered vehicles before transitioning to gasoline engines. The Model 48 became the brand's flagship model, blending opulence, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology to cater to the elite. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a 525 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine capable of generating 48 horsepower. While this may seem modest by modern standards, it was an exceptional achievement for its time. This robust engine allowed the Model 48 to reach a top speed of 70 miles per hour, a remarkable feat during an era when automobiles were still in their infancy. One of the standout features of the engine is its innovative design, which utilizes 3 separate cylinder blocks, each housing 2 cylinders. This approach simplified manufacturing and maintenance while maintaining the vehicle's reputation for reliability. The Locomobile Model 48 was not only a symbol of engineering brilliance, but also an epitome of luxury, with its handcrafted interiors and sophisticated design appealing to the wealthiest clientele of the time. Number 6. Simplex 50 HP. The Simplex 50 HP is a testament to early American ingenuity, produced between 1907 and 1914 by the Simplex Automobile Company. Aimed at competing with elite European brands like Mercedes, the Simplex 50 horsepower quickly gained a reputation for its speed, reliability, and sophisticated engineering. It became one of the most coveted luxury cars of its era, admired by enthusiasts and collectors alike. Powering this elegant machine was a 9.8-liter inline-four engine that produced 50 horsepower, a significant figure for the early 20th century. With a bore and stroke of 5.75 inches, the engine's displacement of 597 cubic inches allowed the car to deliver impressive performance. It could reach a top speed of 65 miles per hour, a remarkable achievement for a vehicle of its time. The Simplex 50 HP's credentials were further elevated when it triumphed in the 24-hour race at Brighton Beach, driven by George Robertson and Frank Lull. This victory cemented its status as not just a luxury car, but a capable and competitive performer in the world of early motorsport. Its combination of elegance, engineering, and speed makes it a symbol of American automotive excellence. Number 5. Hispano-Suiza J12. The Hispano-Suiza J12, produced from 1931 to 1938, is a pre-war masterpiece that showcases the height of automotive luxury and engineering innovation. Designed by Swiss engineer Marc Burkhardt, the J12 replaced the successful H6 series and became the flagship of Hispano-Suiza's lineup. This vehicle was not only an icon of its time, but also a benchmark for elegance and performance. Initially powered by a 9.4-liter V12 engine, the J12 later received an upgrade in 1935 with an even more powerful 11.3-liter version. This colossal engine produced 250 horsepower, making the J12 one of the most potent vehicles of its era. The engine was originally designed for rail cars, highlighting Hispano-Suiza's versatility in engineering. It featured smooth and quiet operation, drawing from the company's expertise in aircraft engines developed during World War I. The J12's opulent interiors and exquisite craftsmanship made it a symbol of luxury, while its engineering brilliance ensured unmatched performance. With only a limited number produced, the J12 remains a rare and sought-after gem, revered as a true icon of pre-war automotive design. Number 4. Bugatti Royale. The Bugatti Royale, produced between 1927 and 1933, is one of the most ambitious luxury vehicles ever created. Originally intended for royalty and the ultra-wealthy, this opulent car faced the economic realities of the Great Depression, which drastically curtailed its market. As a result, only 7 of the planned 25 units were ever built, making it one of the rarest and most exclusive automobiles in history. The centerpiece of the Royale is its gargantuan 12.8-liter straight-eight engine, originally conceived for aircraft. This powerhouse produces an impressive 300 horsepower and an astonishing 875 pound-feet of torque. Despite its immense size and weight, over 21 feet in length and approximately 7,000 pounds, the Royale is known for its remarkably smooth and refined driving experience, a testament to Bugatti's engineering excellence. The Royale's luxurious craftsmanship extends beyond its performance. Each car was custom-built, featuring bespoke bodywork and interiors tailored to the owner's specifications. This blend of unparalleled performance, exclusivity, and sophistication solidifies the Bugatti Royale as a true icon in automotive history. Number 3. Peerless Model 60. The Peerless Model 60, introduced in 1912, stands as a shining example of early American luxury and innovation. Peerless, part of the famed 3 Ps, alongside Packard and Pierce Arrow, was known for creating vehicles that combine power, refinement, and top-tier craftsmanship. The Model 60 was Peerless's answer to the escalating cylinder wars of the era, offering a formidable combination of engineering and style. Under the hood, the Model 60 featured an enormous 824 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine with a T-head design. This engine produced 60 horsepower, an extraordinary figure for its time, and was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The engine's design included paired cylinder casting and a central carburetor feeding long brass runners, to two massive valves per cylinder, ensuring efficient power delivery. What truly set the Peerless Model 60 apart was its luxurious build quality. It was available in a variety of open and closed body styles, each adorned with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Priced between $6,000 and $7,200, a premium sum in 1912, it was slightly more expensive than many of its contemporaries, reflecting its elite status. Today, the Peerless Model 60 remains a symbol of early American luxury and engineering excellence. Number 2. Pierce Aero Model 66. The Pierce Aero Model 66, produced between 1910 and 1918, represents a pinnacle of American engineering and luxury during the brass era. Renowned for its massive size and powerful engine, the Model 66 was a car that turned heads wherever it went. This behemoth was powered by an 825 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine, the largest engine ever used in a production car at the time. With a T-head design and dual ignition systems featuring two spark plugs per cylinder, the engine delivered approximately 140 horsepower, a staggering output for the early 20th century. This advanced design helped improve airflow and cooling, ensuring reliable performance even under demanding conditions. The Pierce Aero Model 66 was more than just an engineering marvel. It was a symbol of status and opulence. One of the first vehicles to use cast aluminum panels, it was both lighter and more structurally sound than many of its competitors. Its elegant design, coupled with exceptional performance, secured Pierce Aero's reputation as one of America's premier luxury car makers. Number 1. Fiat S76, the Beast of Turin. Known as the Beast of Turin, the Fiat S76 was built in 1910 with a singular purpose: to claim the title of the fastest car in the world. This monstrous vehicle was a testament to Fiat's engineering ambition and the growing obsession with land speed records in the early 20th century. At its heart was an enormous 28.4-liter inline-four engine, the largest car engine ever built at the time. This engine produced a staggering 290 horsepower and an unbelievable 2,000 pound-feet of torque, figures that were unheard of for the era. Its advanced design included a T-head layout with 4 valves per cylinder and dual ignition systems, pushing the boundaries of performance engineering. In 1911, the 76 reached a top speed of 116 miles per hour at Saltburn Sands in England, piloted by Pietro Bordino. 2 years later, it achieved an unofficial record of 132.5 miles per hour in Belgium, a remarkable feat that cemented its reputation as a mechanical monster. With only 2 examples ever built, the Fiat S76 remains a symbol of raw, untamed automotive power and engineering daring. Conclusion: the 9 cars detailed here represent milestones in the history of automotive engineering and luxury. From the cutting-edge hybrid power of the Bugatti Tébón to the raw, untamed ferocity of the Fiat S76, each of these vehicles has played a pivotal role in pushing the boundaries of performance, design, and innovation. Cars like the Bugatti Royale and Hispano-Suiza J12 showcase how engineering and craftsmanship can create rolling works of art, while the Dodge Viper ZB2 and Simplex 50 HP emphasize the pursuit of speed and reliability. Vehicles like the Pierce Aero Model 66 and Locomobile Model 48 highlight the elegance and grandeur of early American luxury, while the Peerless Model 60 exemplifies the bold spirit of competition during the brass era. These automobiles are more than just machines. They are symbols of human ingenuity, ambition, and artistry. Each one tells a story of its era, embodying the challenges and triumphs of its creators. Together, they form a tapestry of automotive history that continues to inspire and captivate enthusiasts and engineers alike.